By show of hands, how many of you have experienced an organizational transformation where it felt like the culture did not survive the change? How many? Wow, that's a lot. But guess what? You're not alone. In my experience, oftentimes, company culture does not survive rapid transformation, but it can. What we know is transformation now is the norm, and companies have to rapidly transform in order to maintain their competitive advantage. But culture is also a competitive advantage. It's a long-term competitive advantage. And when we take our transformation and ignore and put it ahead of our culture, what happens is our employee trust goes down, our employee engagement goes down, and ultimately performance. So what can we do about it? Well, one, we have to anchor our transformation to our culture. This means that our values, our ways of working, our behaviors are all enablers of the transformation and how we get the transformation done. Two, we have to mobilize our leaders at every level, and not just team leaders, but also individual contributors that are champions at every level of the organization, because we all own the culture, so we all must protect it. And finally, we have to measure and continue to measure, collect more feedback, and measure again. Culture and transformation can survive together and actually help each other be more effective. But we have to be intentional. So let's start now. Do me a favor and take out your phones and open your notes app. And once you're there, I want you to write down one aspect of your company culture that you love, that you're proud of, and that you would want to protect at all costs. And then secondly, I'd like you to write down, in your next transformation, what's one thing you will do to ensure that your company culture is protected? Thank you.